Mahi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be beauty related. A few days back मैंने ना आप लोगों से community post पे पूछा था कि should I make a video related to Faces Canada because they're always running some offers on their website. Like जब मैंने order किया था ना उनकी website पे offer था that you're gonna get a jewelry kit free, a set of 4 beauty blenders and a set of like brushes. So I was like very excited and order amount to मैं करना था 2500, which is I think not a big amount to get these 3 things free, plus already जो उनके products थे वो discount पे थे. So I have got like a lot of things. So without further ado, let's go to the video. Not just gonna show you all the makeup products, हम उसको review भी करेंगे. मैंने application shots लिए हैं for you guys so that you can actually see वो apply करते हुए जो कैसा लग रहा है. Now that I've told you everything, let me show you the first product. Okay, so the first product is this one. So this is Ultime Pro Primerizer, basically primer plus moisturizer. And honestly, let me talk about the packaging first. I really love the black tube and this transparent ढक्कन that it has. And मुझे पता है इसमें क्या अच्छा लगा. इसमें ना holographic एक shine है and the same shine the product also has. Now you can see it on my skin as well. जो ये product है वैसे तो ये white color का moisturizer और primer है, but इसके अंदर एक glowing सा pink tint है, which I really love. Now I've been using Nykaa का primer since a very long time and I wanted to switch primers. Sadly ये मैं अकेले नहीं यूज कर सकती हूँ. Like मेरे को अगर primer वाला effect चाहिए like very smooth skin, very silicone texture. Basically it doesn't have that because it has moisturizer in it as well. 0.5 out of 5 for me because as I told you मुझे वो silicone वाला texture पसंद है in my primer. So I apply this and then I apply this. Okay, next product that I got is this lip balm. This is in the orange plus mint and I love this lip balm so much. It has orange plus mint flavor, we can see from the packaging as well. I'm gonna rate this 4.5 out of 5. Next product that I want to talk about is their concealer. Again, it's from the Ultime Pro range. It's their HD concealer and if you guys have been following me like from a long time, आपको पता है मैं बहुत सालों से ये वाला कंसीलर यूज कर रही हूँ. दिस इज बाय LA Pro Girl, ठीक है, एंड I still cannot get over this concealer. मुझे लगा था that now I should try different products, so I ordered one from Faces Canada. You can see how it looks on my skin. It has a very warm undertone and I'm in the shade sand beige here, ठीक है. And now if you'll ask me if this concealer can replace this, no it cannot. Like ये जितना smooth है LA Pro Girl वाला, ये इतना smooth नहीं है, but again it's not a bad concealer. I mean अगर आप ये concealer use करो for the first time, you would love this concealer. I've just applied it to the areas which are decolorize, basically my under eyes and lips के पास. And personally I don't use foundation, so I've just applied concealer in this video as well. What I noticed about this concealer कि ये ना मुझसे brush से ज़्यादा अच्छा blend हो रहा है instead of a beauty blender. So I have used beauty blender बाद में to set it in place, but I have blended this concealer using a brush. Okay, next product that I'm gonna show you is this one super cute box of beauty blenders. Came a container as well, which is a really good thing. And ये आया था हमारा free. And honestly, I love this beauty blender so much. I've used it in this video. As you can see, this is like a dry beauty sponge and this is a wet one. So काफी बड़ा हो जाता है, which makes it really soft. So the quality is amazing. I would suggest in case you're looking for a beauty blender, you can go for this set. It's gonna last you at least a year. तो काफी अच्छा investment है. In case you don't get it for free, you can definitely go and buy it. Now मुझे ये free में पड़ा है, so I don't know the MRP, but let me still check कि इसका MRP है कितना. Okay, so the MRP of this is 600 rupees and we got it for free, which was like really good deal I guess, क्योंकि काफी अच्छा quality का beauty blender है. So I highly recommend it and I'm gonna rate it 5 out of 5 because I don't have any complaints regarding it. Okay, so the next product that I want to show you is their face sculpting palette. This is again from their all-time pro range and the price that I paid for this is 674 rupees and iska MRP hai 899, which is quite a good deal I guess. So I have done my makeup, like the color part of my makeup, using this palette only in this video. First I have applied this blush on my eyes as well. Now what I noticed again, jo iska consistency hai, like the pigment that it has is not really good, but I think for 674 rupees it's okay. Now if you're someone who's a beginner and you don't even use many brushes, you will love it because iska jo pigment hai wo finger se bahut acha aa raha hai instead of a brush. So I have applied it using my fingers and then blended it using a fluffy brush. So that's what I've done for my eyes, and I applied it under my eyes also, which is giving like a really nice effect I feel. Then I've used this palette for blush and contour as well. So basically I don't, like recently I've started doing this. मैं ना ऐसा contour अलग से और blush अलग से नहीं करती हूँ. I just take a fluffy brush and then I mix both of these colors and apply it on my cheekbone area. You can see how I did it. But yeah, I like the color that it has given me, and now if you'll see, without even using any highlighter also, it has some sort of glow. So basically these colors are not proper matte, it has some shine in it. So that's what I noticed about it. And the last that it palette has is the highlighter, which I use to highlight my inner corners of the eye and the highlighter as well. Now for the highlighter, I don't like it that much. I mean, iska pigmentation बहुत ही ऐवे है. Like I really had to, you know, swatch my finger 2-3 times to get something out of it. Now overall, I will rate this palette 3 out of 5. Why? Let me tell you. Because itne price range mein around you will get a palette from Sugar Cosmetics as well, which is so much better in quality. Next product that I'm going to show you, which I was really excited about by the way, जो कि हमारा freebie में आया है, is this brush set. This is by Kriti Senan X Faces Canada. So this is how the set looks like. It has very mini sized brushes, which again I was really excited about it. But you guys, this brush set sucks so much. Look at this. जो इसकी ये bristles है ना, this is very plasticky, so it's not really even picking up the product. Like I tried using this brush to pick up some highlighter, but it didn't really do its job. So I don't like the brush set. So अगर ये आपकी wish list में है Faces Canada की, you know, to get a travel friendly brush set, this is not it. Don't go for it. I'm gonna rate this 1 out of 5. 1 भी मैं से दे रही हूँ because I really like the packaging. It's like a tin box and I really like the face art going on here, but the product that it has is not worth it at all. Okay, next product that I'm gonna show you, which is like my all-time favorite. Like Faces Canada में अगर एक चीज़ है ना जो मैं guarantee दे सकती हूँ is something really nice. Their nail paints, especially their splash range. It's so like मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है nail paints. एक तो उनका stay बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है, and plus it's not very expensive. For the price, I really like their range of nail paints and they have like insane amount of colors. So yeah, highly recommend this one. I would rate this 5 out of 5 for sure. Things that I got are these travel friendly wipes, क्योंकि काफी छोटा packet है and it has like 10 wipes in each packet. It was pack of 3 and ये मेरे को पड़ा था 200 rupees का. Already finished 1 packet. It smells amazing and कुछ wet wipes ऐसे होते हैं जो tickle करता है मेरी skin पे तो at least, but it did not. So I really like it. I'm gonna rate it like again 5 out of 5 because I don't have any complaints regarding it. Plus, if you're using this for, you know, removing your makeup, it's not gonna work if you're wearing waterproof makeup. It's not gonna help you. You will have to buy a micellar water. which I did from Faces Canada only. So this is basically for waterproof makeup. As you can see, it has oil here and water here. So basically you shake it and you know, use it. So sometimes when I've applied like a lot of makeup, so what I do is you take a wet wipe and then I put this micellar water on the wet wipe and then remove all my makeup. It really helps, and it just, you know, take away all your makeup in one swipe. Not one swipe, in one wipe. That's what I meant. Costed me 399 rupees and the MRP of it is 499. Okay, so we are done with the makeup products. Last freebie that I was really excited about, basically इसकी वजह से ही मैंने, आप मान लो, ये order place किया था, is this jewelry kit. यहाँ पे Faces Canada लिखा है. ये पूरा ना ऐसे velvet और suede वाला material है. It's so good. It has this compartments as well. I've already put my jewelry in it. So इसके बीच में you have this section for your rings and everything. I really like this. और इन्होंने इसका price 1800 rupees लिखा हुआ है, but हमें free में मिला है. So I got like a lot of things, I feel, in just 2500 rupees, which was amazing. 2547 rupees. And इसमें bill में लिखा है you saved 4318 rupees. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, this was it about the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, I just want to say, if you are a beginner, these products are good to go. If you are someone between like a pro category, then don't go for it. मैंने इसलिए लिया because मुझे offers बहुत अच्छे लग रहे थे. I really hope that you guys found this video helpful. Links products के description में है in case you are interested in purchasing anything. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, please subscribe to my channel, you guys. Please bell button भी दबा देना, notify तभी होगा जब मैं नया video डालूंगी. But please, I need your support and I will see you guys super soon in my next